we're going to talk about density. First of all, I have got 4 cubes here, 4 similar size cubes here. Now this is a piece of wood and this is a plastic. It's a quite hard plastic. This is again, I think, the similar material. And this one is a synthetic material. Now what I do, I'm going to put them into water and you make a prediction which one sinks, which one floats, right? Here you go. That one floats on the top of water. This one, you see, it sinks. And next one, that floats, and that one sinks. So that tells you different materials have different density. If its density is lighter than water, it floats. If the density is heavier than water, it sinks. So we're going to look at how we're going to measure the density of each material. Let's start. Density is about how closely the particles are packed in a fixed volume of space. Now let's say, for instance, those two, they have got exactly the same volume because they're the same size. Okay, but in this one, in this size, you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. You got 12 atoms or 12 particles in here. For that one, exactly the same size, only got 6 particles in there. And therefore, in the same volume of that space, now the particles you can find are different. And therefore, this material must be more dense than this one. Okay? Now, so the density has got something to do with volume. In that fixed volume, how many particles can you find? So that's number one. Now, second thing you need to know is a mass. Mass is about particles, is about molecules. So how many molecules are there? So, to understand density, we need 2 values. One is mass, one is volume. To have those 2, then we should be able to calculate the density. Now density we calculate, we use this triangle. Now mass is measured in gram and volume is measured in centimeters cube, and therefore density will be gram per centimeters cube. So if you calculate density, you know that's mass divided by volume. But if you were given mass and density, you're asking for volume, then you know it's mass divided by density. If you were given the density and volume, you're asking for mass, you know those 2 terms together. So that's how you calculate the density, mass, and volume. Okay, we're going to do an exercise. Okay, I have got 2 cubes here. One is a wooden block. One is a plastic thing. And I try to make them the same in size. Now let's measure the mass first. For this one, the reading is 12.23. So for the wood is 12.23 grams. And the plastic thing, 47 grams. Right. Next thing I do is to measure the volume. So to measure the volume, I need to measure the cubes. I need to measure the length, the width and the height, and then I times them together. Okay, so I'm going to measure that. So that will be just the 3 centimeters long, 3 centimeters long, and that one again is 3 centimeters long. That's 3 centimeters long. Okay, so that's 3 times by 3 times by 3. That's the volume. That's cm cube. And next one should be the same, because I try to make them exactly the same in size. So that's, yeah, exactly 3. 3, 3, you see, and 3. Right, so 3, 3, 3. So that's 27. Right, next thing we do is to calculate the density. We know the density calculation is mass divided by volume. Okay. Mass divided by volume. And that's mass 42, 47 divided by volume. So that gives you, so my calculation is for wood is 0.45 grams per centimeters cube, and for plasticine is 1.57 grams per centimeters cube. Now we do know that water's density is 1 grams per centimeters cube, which means every centimeters cube of water is going to be 1 gram of that water. So water's density again is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So this one is lighter, is lighter than water's density. This one is heavier than water's density. So you can see from here, this one must float on the top of water, and this one must sink at the bottom of the water. So let's see, wood will flow, plasticine will sink. Let's give a try. That's the water. And then you still have those 2 tubes, exactly same tubes. See this one? See, it floats because the density is less than 1. And this one, it sinks because its density is more than 1. So it's greater than water's, that's why it sinks. Okay, that's how you calculate the density for solids. Thank you very much for watching. Many of you have lost a lot of learning opportunities at schools this year, and I hope these videos will make up for your school missing work. Our slogan is, 1 lesson a day, send your worries away. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and click the bell button for more updates. Please do share with your friends if you like the video, and I talk to you again soon.
Thank you.